Stop wasting hours sculpting basic forms from a sphere. Professional character artists don't start from scratch, and now you don't have to either. Creature Kitbash Beastly Bits by Dragon Boot Studios is your shortcut to high-quality character creation. This isn't just a pack of parts, it is a complete workflow that lets you assemble complex creatures in minutes. The Beastly Bits library includes over 220 organic assets, everything from mammalian heads and reptilian limbs to humanoid torsos and claws. These are the secret libraries that studios use to hit tight deadlines. It integrates perfectly with the Blender Asset Browser. You just drag, drop, and use the built-in mirroring and placement tools to find your silhouette. Once your assembly is ready, you can merge everything with a single click using the Boolean or remesh tools, giving you a clean base mesh ready for fine detail sculpting. Whether you're making werewolves, ogres, or mutants, this kit is an absolute game changer for your creative momentum. Click the link in the description to grab the pack and start kit bashing your nightmares today.